How the fuck did they get?
Secure the top. Inbound weapon down. We've secured the lead. Confirming the stand by. Kilo standing by. We've lost the lead. And UAV standing by.
Advanced UAV is on station. Scanning for threat.
Target area active. Hold the
On station, moving to engage.
hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
UAV on fuel.
Overwatch Kilo ready for
Advanced UAV is entering the AO.
stand by.
Target spotted.
UAV orbiting the AO. We've got it online.
Advanced UAV is authorized. We're falling behind. Get moving. Hardpoint reloaded. Secure the target area. UAV standing by.
Be advised, UAV is entering the AO.
Watch the system on fuel.
Enemies inside the perimeter. Advanced UAV standing by. UAV ready to deploy.
Copy. Advanced UAV is
Advanced UAV is authorized.
Advanced UAV entering.
Confirming next target. Stand by.
Advanced UAV returning. UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Inbound weapon down.
Target area active. Advanced UAV standing by. Secure the area. Friendly cluster mine planted.
Establishing orbit.
Target spotted.
Advanced UAV is exiting the AO.
Overwatch Kilo standing by. UAV is authorized. Enemies inside the perimeter. We've got an airdrop inbound. Friendly care package underway. Friendly UAV online. Hardpoint relocated. Secure the target area. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Friendly cluster mine deployed.
Got it. Advanced UAV is on station.
Advanced UAV standing by. Final minute. Friendly bomb drones online. Enemy UAV active. UAV is authorized. Friendly Guardian down. We've secured the lead. Target area active. Hold the hardpoint.
Advanced UAV is exiting the AO. Advanced UAV is
Advanced UAV standing by.
Position station.
copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Got it online.
UAV ready to deploy.
Target spotted.
Confirming next hardpoint. Stand by. Overwatch Kilo ready for tasking.
UAV is exiting the AO.
Marking a hostile.
Copy.
10 seconds.
Бачу.